poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and let's get into it. So I actually had one of my really good friends come and do a quick weave for me. I haven't ever even tried to do a quick weave. So I actually had a really good friend of mine come by and do a quick weave for me. I actually have never tried to do a quick weave on I cannot talk. Quick weave. Quick weave, quick weave, quick weave, quick weave, quick weave, quick weave.
Nope.
All right, let's try this again. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today, guys, I teamed up with Klaiyi hair. They gave me 28 inches, and baby, let's get into it. I'm loving it. So I actually had a really good friend of mine come by and do a quick weave for me. I've actually never tried to do this on myself, so I don't know if it's hard or not, but she literally slayed. Okay, but I'm gonna show you guys how I blend in the top of my hair because y'all know I'm bald. So this is actually a method that I had did in one of my like super old YouTube videos, and I still do it today. First of all, assistant got this rubber band. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be showing you guys how I blend in my leave out. Klaiyi hair sent me 28 inches, okay? A quick interruption just to say that this video is sponsored by Klaiyi hair. They sent me 4 28-inch bundles of their Brazilian straight hair and a 20-inch closure. I only used 3 of those bundles for this look. This is the same hair, guys, that I was wearing in my prank video where I pranked Bree and everybody said, Pana, your hair is slaying. So yes, this hair is absolutely bomb. I love it. It was very consistent from top to bottom, and I got very minimal shedding from it. Really no shedding at all almost. So make sure you guys check the description section so you guys can check out this hair. So I saved a couple of those pieces, and I'm actually going to be gluing in the top here, and it's just going to help to yeah, blend my hair in. So I start off with heat protectant. I'm actually not using a mirror, I'm only using my camera, so y'all, this could get real interesting. Okay, and I do too much with the heat protectant just because I need my curls protected, period. I'm cute as fuck. Oh my god. No. All right, so yeah, my hair don't feel right. So I'm doing a part down the middle, which is about here. So I'm gonna glue 2 tracks on each side. So let me just get my middle part popping first. Okay, Pana. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this off camera. So this is a no-no. This is how some of y'all be looking.
Try.
Okay, we not gonna do this though. Okay, so I'm gonna try to fit 2 tracks on each side. So this is like a really small space. So my first one is gonna be right where, actually, yeah, I'm gonna take like a very small piece of my hair out. So a super small section. This is really thin. Y'all see it's so thin you could like see through it. So we're gonna start with this one. Take this. Y'all, I really like to do my own leave out because I be so nervous about getting heat damage, especially now since like I could really only wear my hair one way. Like I can't have heat damage, and people don't be using enough heat protectant. Sometimes they go over a heck of times, so you just gotta really be careful. So I like to do that myself. Then I'm gonna take this piece, I'm gonna measure it out to about here. I don't like to go all the way back because you wanna make sure it's covered in the front and the back. Now, a lot of people, they're like, the glue damages your hair, and it really doesn't if it's taken out correctly. I have bond remover shampoo that pretty much gets everything out, so I've never gotten breakage really from doing this. But if you like ripping it out your hair, okay, then yes, you're about to have damage. So I try to put it really close to the front, but not at the front. And then I'm gonna press that on down, period. You can't even tell where my hair is right now. Can you tell, babe?
No.
Okay, just wanted to make sure I fact check. Boom. Where's, why was I looking for the comb? Look where it's at. And so after I do that piece, this is like a really small section. So I'm gonna take off a very, very small section again because I need a majority of the hair to cover that last track. So we're gonna go in right here. Look, some of this is like so see-through. I need to pull out just a little bit more. You do have to make sure that you leave enough hair to actually cover the track. So a very, very small piece. And really, honestly, I probably could have got away with putting one in, but I really want, like I really, fireworks, all right? I'm not in the ghetto. So yeah, I'm gonna put this piece in. Really, I could have got away with putting one piece, but I want it to be like super blended. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this other piece. Ooh. I'm putting the glue directly on the track, you feel me? Did I measure this out? Ugh, I'm so lost, y'all. And we gonna go ahead and put this in. I think I measured this out, hopefully I did. Cool, perfect. There we go. Sis is blended. Okay. Y'all, it's 4th of July, so they going crazy with the fireworks tonight. But you know, sis is in her all black because we not celebrating, period. Cool, all right, that's my last piece is in there. So this is my last piece that is gonna cover up. Ooh, I got inches now. My hair ain't even fitting in the, I got inches now, okay. So this last piece is gonna cover that trunk. There we go. I actually should have chased that with the comb, but it's all G. I also need my ends trimmed. Ugh, you can see them. All right, cool. So I put that over the last piece, and then after I do the other side, I'm actually gonna take some edge wax and just like blend it. But sis, these inches is blending, okay? Look at that, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and I'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and I did my other side. And then the last step that I'm gonna do is, y'all can already see it's hella blended, but like if you get up close, you can kind of see like my split ends sticking out a little bit. You can really see it on this side. You see that? So what I'm gonna do is I have my Renutrients wax stick. Y'all, I've literally had this wax stick for like, it has to be a year. It's been a minute. And I just take it and I rub it in my hand like this. You really don't need a lot because the more you put, your hair will actually get greasy and we don't want that. So I take that, rub it in both hands, and I kind of just go over it just like that. And that will help tame the flyaways, okay? Sis is laid on, period. Let me scoot y'all back so y'all can really. Okay. Now I want this to be a little more smooth. Y'all, this hair is literally bomb. Silky. I don't want no lumps and bumps. Period. Let me go outside and take my pictures. Period. This is their 28 inches. Y'all can see where it lands on me. Okay, Pana got cakes. Period. Yes, let me go outside and take some pictures. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?